Hi everyone, I'm reacting to this video about transfer function in control system. So, I will talk about what I learned if the video helped me understand the topic and what insights I gained as a future engineer. So, from this video, the key idea I learned is that a transfer function is a way to describe how a system reacts to an input and produce an output. So it is like a mathematical tool that shows the relationship between what we put into a system and what we get out of it. So instead of thinking about all the details inside a system, a transfer function gives a simpler way to understand the overall behavior. So this idea helps engineer analyze and design system so they behave the way we want them to. So was the video helpful? Yes, the video was helpful in giving me more understanding of the subject. So even though transfer function can involve some math, the video explained the idea in a clear and beginner-friendly way. So it helped me see why transfer function are useful, especially when we deal with complex systems like motors or robots, because it let us study the system behavior without looking at every small part inside. So my insight as a future engineer. So as a future engineer, I think learning about transfer function is very interesting because it shows how we can simply context a system for analysis and design. So this makes it easier to predict how a system will respond when we change the input. So I also learned that transfer function are key parts of control system design, and they help engineer choose the right controller to make a system stable and perform well. So this understanding will be useful in the fields like robotics, automation and aerospace, especially in electronics. So that's all for this reaction video, and thank you for watching my reaction. Peace, yo.